Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the season finale of Busted Myths with Science. Today we have an explosive theme as we explore the different kinds of homemade volcanoes. Today we're doing elephant toothpaste and the classic baking soda and vinegar.
With the elephant toothpaste, the only variable we're going to change is the soap and the amount of soap we use in each experiment. We predict that the bottle with the most soap is going to be the most explosive.
And for the vinegar and baking soda, we decided to keep the amount of baking soda consistent and change how much vinegar we add each time. And our prediction was that the more vinegar we put in each bottle, the bigger explosion we're gonna get. So let's see how it goes.
For the elephant toothpaste, all we needed was a half cup of hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons of water, and a tablespoon of yeast. When yeast is added to the hydrogen peroxide, a chemical in the yeast causes the hydrogen peroxide to break apart into oxygen gas and water. This creates bubbles. For our second and third trial, we added different amounts of soap. If our hypothesis is correct, the more soap we add, the more bubbles the oxygen gas will create and the bigger the reaction will be. After reviewing our results with the elephant toothpaste, we found out that our hypothesis was correct. The first trial, without any soap, made it up 2.5 inches. Our second trial, with 1 tablespoon of soap, shot up 5 inches. And then our last trial, with 2 tablespoons of soap, shot up 6 inches.
For this experiment, we decided to do the good old vinegar and baking soda volcano. We're having a very hard time getting the baking soda into the bottle quick enough before the reaction began. So we decided it'd be best to cut the tops off the bottle so that we could get all the baking soda in at once. The way this experiment works is when the vinegar and the baking soda mix together, something new is formed. The mixture quickly foams up into what is a carbon dioxide gas, and this gas wants to push itself straight out of the bottle into a larger area. That's why we get such a reaction when we add the two together. After looking at our results for the baking soda volcanoes, we were able to see that our hypothesis was in fact correct. The more vinegar we added, the bigger explosion we got. For the first experiment, we found that it went up 1 inch, and then the second one was 2 inches, and finally it got up to 2.5 inches. And for the final one with the most vinegar in it, we definitely saw the most come out of the bottle as well. So overall, we definitely were able to confirm both of these myths.
Isn't that crazy?
It is. Thank you for following us, guys.
Thanks for watching our last video.
Until next time.